Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to add reviews to your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look at the left-hand side and click on Apps. This is where you can add new features to your store. In the Apps section, click on the Shopify App Store button. This will open a new window that shows all available apps. In the search bar, type Product Reviews. Look for the free app developed by Shopify. It should be called Product Reviews and have Shopify listed as the developer. Click on the Product Reviews app and then click on the Add App button. Shopify may ask you to confirm the installation. Just follow the prompts and approve the installation. This will add the Product Reviews app to your store. After the app is installed, you will see the app name on the left menu. Click on the app and then select Display Reviews. Here, you can customize how your review section looks. You can change the star color, the layout, and whether to show reviewer names or not. Take your time and set it up the way you want. That's how you add reviews to your Shopify store. Thank you for watching.